Another female teacher, this time in Portland. Her boyfriend is being sought by the police.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
The Portland police are searching for a male suspect who is believed to have murdered his girlfriend following a domestic dispute at David Lane in Portland on Tuesday night. The deceased has been identified as 29-year-old Latoya Hill, also known as Trish, a teacher at the Sherbian Preparatory School in Port Antonio. According to the police, the teacher and her boyfriend, Rohan Martin, an undertaker, started having a heated dispute shortly before midnight on Monday. According to reports, after roughly an hour, neighbors reportedly heard the woman crying out and pleading, "No kill me." The police reported that the suspect was later seen, allegedly dragging Hill's body along the roadway towards his vehicle, where he made several unsuccessful attempts to put the body inside the car. Allegations are that residents in the community challenged him and he fled the scene, leaving the woman's body on the roadway. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, the teacher's body was found lying on its back with what appeared to be a wound to the forehead and a clear plastic bag over the head. A pink plastic bag was wrapped around the waist and thigh. Traces of blood were also spotted at the crime scene, namely on the toilet and the floor of the bathroom inside the house which the couple occupied. The suspect, who remains on the run, is believed to be a resident of Guys Hill in St. Catherine. Residents said Miss Hill and her partner had been living in the community for a few months and were not well known by their neighbors. This latest killing brings to 7 the number of persons murdered in the Portland Police Division since the start of 2019 and follows the gruesome shooting death of Bishop Gibson High School teacher, 43-year-old Carolyn Davis Campbell, at her home in Melrose District in Manchester on the 9th of July.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.